The abuse of facial recognition. Privacy invasion in the digital age. In today's society, many games and other software require users to scan their faces. This phenomenon raises concerns not only about the motives of software developers but also about the privacy and human rights of users. We can understand why governments and state institutions would require facial scanning for passports or identity cards to ensure national security. But why should game software or ordinary software need facial recognition? This practice not only invades users' privacy but could lead to misuse of facial data. By using facial recognition technology, software companies can gain access to users' facial data. This data can be used to track and analyze user behavior for targeted marketing and could even be misused. If facial data falls into the hands of criminals, it could lead to identity theft, fraud, and other criminal acts, posing a serious threat to users' lives and privacy. Facial recognition technology also carries the risk of misidentification, particularly for minorities or people with atypical facial features. This can result in innocent people being wrongly identified as suspects, leading to unnecessary trouble and danger. Misidentification can not only harm individuals' reputations and lives but may also create legal and enforcement issues. In the face of this phenomenon, how can we protect our privacy and human rights? First, we should be cautious about apps that require facial recognition and understand their privacy policies to avoid providing facial data easily. Second, we can take measures such as being cautious when using devices that utilize facial recognition locks, choosing software that does not require facial recognition, or disabling facial recognition when using certain apps. Governments and regulatory agencies should also enhance their oversight of facial recognition technology, establishing strict laws and policies to protect users' privacy and rights. Companies should also fulfill their social responsibilities by ensuring the safety and legal use of user data. This includes employing robust encryption measures during data collection and storage and limiting access to data. The rapid development of facial recognition technology also means we need to reassess traditional privacy protection concepts. The risk of personal information misuse has far exceeded past expectations. We must remain vigilant about the potential dangers of technology development and take preventive measures to stop possible future privacy violations. In this digital age, the misuse of facial recognition technology presents many challenges to our lives. We need to work together to seek balance, supporting technology development and innovation while ensuring personal privacy and human rights are respected. So, do you think the application of facial recognition technology in ordinary software and games is reasonable? Are you willing to give up your facial data and privacy for the sake of convenience? As a user, do you trust that companies will handle your data appropriately? Or do you think the misuse of this technology has become a widespread problem? Are governments and regulatory bodies fulfilling their responsibilities to protect users' privacy and rights? How can we ensure personal information is not misused or abused? These sharp questions are worth serious consideration and reflection by each one of us. What do you think we should do to address this increasingly severe issue? How can we balance enjoying the conveniences of technology while ensuring personal privacy is not compromised?